With platforms like Sora 2 becoming more popular, most people are just using it to create funny or cinematic videos. But what if I told you there's a way to use this same AI tool to create viral-style UGC content that looks just like the videos you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use tools like Topview AI to easily create realistic scroll-stopping videos without needing a camera or editing skills. The term AI UGC stands for AI User-Generated Content. It's the next evolution of video creation. Instead of hiring real creators to film UGC-style videos, AI now does everything for you, from generating the person and their voice to recreating the entire scene. You simply give the AI a reference or a viral video link, and it reproduces that same tone, pacing, and camera angle, this time customized for your own visuals. While traditional UGC videos can take weeks to produce and cost hundreds of dollars, AI UGC lets you create similar results in minutes at a fraction of the cost, ready to share instantly. That's why many creators and brands are quietly switching to AI tools. Traditional UGC production can be slow and unpredictable. You're depending on real people to deliver on time and match your vision. Sometimes you even pay upfront and still end up with footage that doesn't fit your brand. But with AI UGC, you're fully in control. You can test different versions, adjust your message easily, and create consistent, high-quality videos without waiting on edits or revisions. Now, let's talk about how to actually create one. The tool I'll be using is Topview AI, a platform that brings everything together: AI UGC, speed, and automation. With its video agent feature, you can recreate any viral style video using just a link or clip. The AI studies everything: pacing, script, camera movement, and tone, then rebuilds it using Sora 2 into a cinematic, lifelike version that feels authentic and natural. No filming, no editing, no production crew. I've added a link in the description so you can follow along. Once you create your account, you'll go straight to the dashboard where you'll find ready-to-use templates. Perfect if you want to get started quickly. But in this tutorial, we'll create our video from scratch so you can see how powerful this tool really is. You'll begin by uploading your image or product visual and a reference video. This helps Topview AI's video agent understand the pacing and tone you want to recreate. This could be your own product image or even an affiliate product from Amazon Associates. If you're going the affiliate route, the key is finding what's trending. Since we'll be promoting on TikTok, head over to ads.tiktok.com. Here, you can explore trending products and see detailed insights like click-through rates and engagement performance. Always focus on products with a high CTR because those have already proven to be scroll-stopping and clickable. During my research, I found out that facial sunscreen was still trending, and by scrolling through the examples, I could easily download a few viral videos in this niche to use as my reference clips. Remember, your reference video determines how engaging your AI recreation will be. Once you've got your product image and reference video, upload both to Topview AI. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok. The AI will automatically generate a prompt based on your uploads. Then Topview's agent will analyze your product and give you a short product information questionnaire. Here, you can input your product name, upload extra images, and answer quick questions to help the AI understand your product better. After that, it'll generate a video brief and a storyboard for you to review. Once everything looks good, just click Generate Video. And here's the crazy part. When you compare the AI-generated version with the original video, the difference is almost impossible to spot. That's because Topview AI is powered by OpenAI's Sora 2, giving it that lifelike realism that looks like it came straight from a professional studio. After downloading your finished video, you can post it directly on TikTok or Instagram Reels to start promoting your product instantly. So, if you've ever struggled to create engaging product videos or wished you could recreate viral TikTok ads without spending hundreds on creators or editors, Topview AI is the tool you've been waiting for. It's built for digital creators who want sufficient result. You don't need editing skills or expensive gear. Just plug in your idea and let Topview AI handle the rest. If you're ready to start recreating viral content today, click the link in the description and try it out for yourself. I hope this video inspired you to rethink how AI can simplify content creation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.